Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. In today's video, we're diving into the world of OpenAI. We'll walk you through the process of creating an account on OpenAI, and we'll also explore a powerful extension called Rank Now. So let's jump right in and unlock the potential of OpenAI together. We'll start by searching for OpenAI on Google. Click on the first website that appears and select OpenAI. To log in, click the Login button. Choose Continue with Google. Click on ChatGPT. Click on Login again. Followed by Continue with Google again. Select your Google account and now you have access to OpenAI and ChatGPT. Now, feel free to ask any question. For example, if I ask, tell me 5 famous countries in the world. You can see it promptly answers our question. Let's try another one. I'll ask, tell me 5 biggest animals' names in the world. As you can see, it generates an answer for us. Now, let's get creative. We'll ask it to write a short story about a lion and a mouse in just 5 lines. Amazing, right? It effortlessly generates a story for us. Wait, there's more. Let me introduce you to a powerful extension for ChatGPT, Rank Now AI. Open your browser and search for Rank Now AI. Click on the official website. Then Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension, and there you go. We've successfully added the Rank Now extension to our Chrome. Quickly check if the extension has been added by clicking here. Voila! You can now ask any question you want, and the Rank Now extension will enhance your ChatGPT experience. And that's it for today's exploration of OpenAI and the fantastic Rank Now extension. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, happy coding!